2013 Econoline. The Ford Econoline is a great work vehicle with plenty of room for any type of tool on the planet. You won't go wrong with the Econoline and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual front airbags, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front, automatic stability control, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, center console, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible?